Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix REMATCH crashing or just not launching unless you're straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the search bar, go over to Device Manager. Now from the Device Manager you can go ahead and make your way over to Display Adapters, right click on your GPU, hit Update Driver, hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Now this is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app if you have it installed, going over to drivers, and then going over to download. Now if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, like use the AMD app, or what you can also do is you can manually install your NVIDIA or AMD drivers as well by just going over to a browser of your choice, going over to their official driver website, and then just downloading it from there. Now, once you do all of these methods, I highly recommend restarting your PC, and then you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.